Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Port Maitland is a small coastal community located in Yarmouth County, Nova Scotia, along the shores of the Bay of Fundy. The community is situated about 20 kilometers northeast of the town of Yarmouth and is known for its fishing harbor, lighthouse, sandy beach, and connection to the sea. The population is relatively small, with only a few hundred residents living in the immediate area, but Port Maitland plays an important role in the region's fishing industry. The history of Port Maitland dates back to the late 18th century when Loyalist settlers arrived in southwestern Nova Scotia following the American Revolution. The community grew as a fishing and shipping center, benefiting from its location along the coast and access to the rich waters of the Bay of Fundy. Over time, the harbor became an important part of the local economy and remains active today. Fishing continues to be one of the most important industries in Port Maitland. Many residents work in lobster fishing, ground fish harvesting, seafood transportation, and related marine industries. The harbor supports commercial fishing vessels that operate throughout the year, and fishing remains a major source of employment for many local families. In addition to fishing, residents work in construction, forestry, healthcare, education, retail, and tourism. Some people commute to nearby Yarmouth for employment, taking advantage of the larger town's hospitals, businesses, schools, and government offices. Others operate small businesses or work in seasonal industries connected to tourism and recreation. One of the best-known landmarks in the community is the Port Maitland Lighthouse. The current lighthouse was built in the 20th century and continues to overlook the entrance to the harbor. It serves as both a navigational aid and a reminder of the area's long maritime history. The lighthouse is one of the most recognizable features of the community and attracts visitors throughout the year. Port Maitland Beach is another popular attraction. Unlike many rocky Nova Scotia shorelines, the beach features a long stretch of sand and provides excellent opportunities for walking, birdwatching, and enjoying coastal scenery. The beach is considered one of the more accessible sandy beaches in southwestern Nova Scotia and is enjoyed by both residents and visitors. The Bay of Fundy has a major influence on life in Port Maitland. The bay is famous for having some of the highest tides in the world, and these dramatic tidal changes affect local fishing, navigation, and coastal landscapes. The changing shoreline creates a unique environment that has shaped the community for generations. Housing in Port Maitland is generally affordable when compared with many coastal communities elsewhere in Canada. Average home prices often range between $200,000 and $350,000, although larger waterfront properties and homes with ocean views may sell for higher prices. The combination of affordability and coastal living continues to attract retirees and people looking for a quieter lifestyle. Today, Port Maitland remains a traditional Nova Scotia coastal community where fishing, maritime history, and natural beauty continue to shape daily life. Its active harbor, sandy beach, historic lighthouse, and scenic Bay of Fundy setting make it one of the more distinctive communities in Yarmouth County. watching!